Hello everyone, welcome to Duke Infotech. We're coming to learn about Windows 11. I'm going to give you some small tips about Windows 11. When you purchase a new Windows 11 laptop or desktop, or you upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11, you see it to be different. This is how it looks like. What you see is recycle bin Microsoft Edge. So when you get your laptop or desktop, first thing first, you have to check the system information, your Windows drivers, Windows edition, the speed of your processor. So let's get to know a little bit about Windows 11. Let's refresh it. You go to search. Windows 11 is a little bit different from Windows 10. So let's type system information. The system info is there. So you click on this. Okay, so this is your system information. OS name, version, manufacturer, everything about the system is there. You got your memory. So this is the system information. So after you are satisfied with your system information, you right click. Let's enable the username. You right click, go to personalize. Since Windows 11 is different, a little bit different from Windows 10. So let's go to theme. Themes is there. Desktop icon. Like you can enable all the icons. Apply. Okay. Control. Okay. Next thing, we can change the desktop. So let's change the desktop. Personalize is there. Let's go to personalize. Okay. Click. Let's check the other one. Can check all to the one that you like. Okay, so let's maintain this one. Okay, so let's go and check our system edition activation. So this is what you have to do when you get a new system. This is what you have to do. Right click this PC, show more properties. Let's check. So after getting yours, you can change your computer name. So let's change Duke Infotech. Duke dash info tech. You don't have to give it a space. If you give a space, it will. So let's try giving a space. Okay, next. I was one or more of the characters you type won't work. Try something different. So let's go and make all one. Okay, then next. That's it. So always when you click, just put dash the other name. That's it. So let's restart it. After giving your system a name, you can check the activation. So let's go back to status. And you check the activation, whether your system have been activated or not. Product key and activation to check the system is been activated or not. That's it. So if it's not activated, you buy a key and activate it. So after checking the activation, you check your drivers. This PC, show more, manage. Check whether all your drivers have been installed. If your drivers have not been installed, then you go to Windows Update and you update it. All your drivers will be installed for your system to run smoothly. Just all the apps, the latest apps. So, device manager. Then you check whether all your drivers have been installed. If your drivers have not been installed, some of the drivers have not been installed, the display adapter is not being installed. If the display adapter is not being installed, the graphics, you see that the system will look blur. It will look blur, it will be that nice. So you have to go to search and click on Windows Update. Okay, so this is the Windows Update, and we check for Windows Update. Start running. Yeah, when you have internet, active internet, then you check your Windows Update so that all the drivers will be installed for you. Okay, after it, let's check the user. This one we have user. It is user. So let's change the user to any name that you want it. You can't leave it as a user, because if you buy the system, the owner have to give it a user. So when you buy it, it is just creating user. So let's go to this PC, show more, manage, so you go to local users and group users. You can enable it as administrator, or you can change the username. So let's change the username, rename to Infotech. Okay, then you can set the password, proceed, and put your password on it. The password that you want, you put the password on it. After it, click properties. On the properties, you click other user cannot change password, or password never expires, account is disabled, so you put on password never expires, then okay, and back, then you restart your system. Yes, I'll restart it and see. Okay, welcome back. So let's check. So that's it. Infotech is our name now. That's it. Okay. So next step. Okay. Next step. Let's change our icons on the taskbar. On Windows 10, the icons are on left side, but on Windows 11, the icons are on the center. So click on taskbar, settings, taskbar settings. Okay. So on here, you can remove some of the task views if you want to, search if you want to, chat if you want to, rage if you want to. So after it, scroll down to taskbar behaviors, then click in center, and you put left. All of them have moved to left. Okay. Okay. And there's one trick. Open a folder. Let's create a folder. Let's create another folder. Okay. You can open this folder. Then on the right corner, you click it to small, and you can open other folder in the right corner. So you can get all the two in the same. It is you can open more. When just click there, you see it is there. Just don't click it, just put your Kaiser on. You see them. So 1, 2, 3, any one that you want, you can just put in. Another trick that's very nice. And maybe you are working on a system, you just wake up, you get a call, or you get up, you return back, your system is on sleep mode. You just any second your system is on sleep mode. You want your system to be on maybe an hour or two before it goes to sleep mode, and you don't know how to enable those power options. Just go to control panel. Our control panel is there. Control panel, let's enable large. Let's check power options there. Click on power option, choose what the power button does. So anytime you press the power button, it will shut down. So you can change it, do nothing, to sleep, or turn off the display. So when I put that on turn off display, anytime I press the power button to turn off the display, do nothing, save. Anytime I press the power button, it won't go off. It will be like that. Then you go to choose turn off display any 5 minutes, put the computer to sleep any 50 minutes. So if you want it to be 1 hour, 2 hours, or never, you can change it anyone that you want. So you can put it on 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, never. So let's put it 1 hour, put the computer to sleep 1 hour, then save. If you don't want it to go on sleep, or the display should not go off, you can put it never, and put it never, then save. Choose when the computer sleeps. Oh, that one is there, it's never. So that one is done. That one is done. So let's learn this trick too. This tip is very a lot of people don't know that tip. They don't know where to get it from. So all this folder and the applications, you can underline it. So let's see how you manage to underline it. So just press this PC, double click it on see more, click on see more, options there, and you just check here, underline icon status, only when I point at them, underline icon status constant with my browser. So let's see, apply, okay. So let's go back, click more options, click on apply icon status constant with my browser, apply, okay. So the underline is there. Anytime you create, underline will be there. Anything you create, the line will be there for you. Alright. And anytime you work, after work and whatever you do, you see that there's some history that normally comes on the left corner. So if you want to clear those histories, or you don't want to see those histories, you can go to the same place, options, this is the history, privacy. So show recently used files, show frequently used folders, show files from office.com, or clear. So after it you can clear them. Then the history, anytime you work, you do whatever you want, the history is there, then you just go there and clear them. If you don't want to see them, you enable it. Enable it, apply, okay. You won't see them. Anytime you work, you won't see any history here. If you want to see the history, maybe you have worked and another day you want to see what you did, or you just came, you have to want to see the histories there, then you have to leave it on, apply, okay. When you are working and by mistakenly you delete, everything was deleted, don't restart your system, just right click, undo, everything will be there. I hope this is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. See you on my next tutorial. Stay blessed.